quick video about this workflow that can be used to change the style of an image with just a text prompt. The cool thing is that you can try writing anything in the text prompt and see how it goes. So, let's try to change the style to painting. So I will write just painting in the text prompt. It's not perfect, but we can keep experimenting with this and see how this can be useful. Okay, now let's try to change the ethnicity of this person and see if that works. I'm gonna try to change the ethnicity of this person to Indian. So yeah, I think this turned out perfectly. So I hope this gave you some idea about how this workflow can be useful. So let's have a quick overview of this workflow to understand how this works. So here I load the checkpoint. I am using the Juggernaut X, which is suitable for this because it's a versatile model that can do many styles. I am using the upscale node to resize the image to prepare it for the ControlNet preprocessor. I am using the ControlNet Union model here, so we'll need only one ControlNet model. And I am using a high denoise value here so that it gets as much freedom to get creative with this, but you can play around with this to see where does this fit better. That's it for this video. Let me know your thoughts on how you plan to use this workflow. Until next time.